Well, hey there, beginner investor. You clicked on this video because you're ready to move from buying stocks in a few different companies to investing like a pro with an actual investment portfolio that's always perfectly balanced, but you're stuck on where to begin and how not to mess it all up and lose all of your money. Well, today I'm going to be sharing with you a platform you can use and the extra feature that takes it to the next level. Hi, I'm the Focus Spender and welcome to my channel where I teach you how to get out of debt, save more money, and invest so that you can build generational wealth. So a lot of people throw out investment advice on how to build a great portfolio. Invest on a consistent regular schedule, buy stocks that pay dividends, and avoid fees. But one piece of advice that I think is the most critical is to diversify your portfolio. Remember Enron? Enron was America's 7th largest company. They were in the energy business, but in 2001, it was revealed that they were involved in corporate corruption and accounting fraud. Shareholders lost $74 billion and their employees lost their jobs and their pension. Now imagine it's the year 2000 and you decided to sink all of your money into Enron because you love energy. Guess what would have happened to all of your money? Gone. That is correct. The flip side is if you had decided to invest in 10 energy companies equally, including Enron, you would have only lost about 10% of your money, which is the key to diversification. It minimizes risks. Here you would have been diversified by company, but the real trick is to be diversified by industry. So how do you easily auto-invest and contribute to your stocks, bonds, ETFs across various industries without having to constantly go into your accounts and rejigger everything? Well, you can try building a pie. Like an apple pie? No, silly, like a pie in M1 Finance. I'm pretty sure you would have assumed I would have just said get an index fund or some other type of ETF, and while you'll typically would have been correct, I know many of you want to try investing on your own, so I want to make sure you're doing it right. So let's jump right into the M1 Finance platform. To start out, I have a pie here that currently has a value of $2,874 with a return of 28.54%. I started out with a $500 one-time investment, switched it to $15 a week, and now have increased it to $30. On the right, you can see the companies I've invested in. I'm invested in 13 companies spanning 8 different industries. M1 Finance lets you create a portfolio, which they call a pie, and each slice of the pie is a percent of your money that will go into every investment. I have 10% going into Johnson & Johnson, Microsoft, Netflix, and Pfizer each, and with price fluctuations, I'm a little over 9% in each. To explain it further, literally $3 is going into purchasing shares in each of these companies every week. It's definitely not a lot, so you can do much more. But what would happen if I wanted to open a second pie? Well, up until recently, I thought it was impossible. I thought you could only add to your first pie or create an embedded pie within a slice, and I even did a video on it. Well, I was wrong. Opening a second pie, third, or fourth is easy. Just click on your account in the upper right, then add account, then individual investing, or whatever type of account you want, then confirm. You'll then be taken to your second pie where you can build a whole new portfolio. You can focus this new pie on a specific sector, dividend yield, or have a mix of expert pies that M1 Finance put together. Whatever you do, it's easy to create multiple well-diversified portfolios, just like the pros. You can start building your own pie by clicking on the link for M1 Finance below, and I also left a link for my personal pie so that you can check that out as well. I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye-bye.